If you are trying to decide whether the Red Hat Certified System Administrator certification is the right Linux certification for you, but you are unsure how the exam works, or whether it fits your career goals, this video will help you understand the decision clearly. These skills are commonly used across cloud teams, infrastructure environments, server administration roles, automation workflows, and enterprise information technology operations. In this video, I will explain how this path works, who it is best suited for, what career options it leads to, and what beginners should realistically expect before choosing it. Many beginners get confused because different sources recommend different certification paths. This often causes learners to delay decisions and lose momentum. The Red Hat Certified System Administrator certification is a practical Linux certification. Unlike many exams that focus heavily on theory, this exam tests whether you can perform real administrative tasks on a Linux system. Within the information technology career structure, it belongs to the Linux cloud and system administration domain, and is often considered a strong starting point for learners interested in infrastructure technologies. People choose this path because it focuses on practical administrative tasks that are commonly performed in real Linux environments. This certification connects to skills such as user management, file permissions, storage administration, networking basics, system services, and operating system management. One important question many learners ask at this stage is whether this path is strong enough on its own, or whether it works better when combined with certifications or structured courses. Career directions related to this path can include Linux Administrator, Systems Administrator, Systems Administrator, Systems Administrator, Systems Administrator, Systems Administrator, Infrastructure Support Engineer, and Cloud Support Engineer. In a moment, I will explain what kind of learners benefit the most from choosing this direction and who should probably consider an alternative path instead. Many beginners also explore structured, beginner-friendly courses in this area to understand the roadmap more clearly before committing to a learning direction. For most learners, the exam is considered moderately challenging because it requires hands-on problem solving. Reading alone is usually not enough. Practical experience is important. This path is a good fit for learners who enjoy working with operating systems, troubleshooting technical issues, and managing servers. However, learners primarily interested in software development, data analytics, or non-technical business roles may find other paths more suitable. Many beginners spend a few months building practical experience before attempting the exam. Consistent practice is more important than speed. Most learners who move forward in this direction usually start with one structured certification or a guided learning track to build confidence step by step. Structured learning is usually more effective than random tutorials because career skills develop faster when the learning order is clear and connected. This certification can also serve as a foundation for more advanced Linux and cloud certifications later. This direction is especially useful for learners who want a structured starting point before choosing advanced certifications later. You can find some helpful beginner-friendly learning resources related to this path in the description if you want to explore how people usually get started step by step. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.